In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can link your TikTok account to CapCut. You can simply add your TikTok to CapCut in just few simple steps. Simply open up your CapCut. On this page, tap on your profile icon on your upper left-hand side of the screen. Select the option of Manage Account. Wait for it to load. You will see the option of TikTok. Tap on it to proceed. Wait for it to load. On this page, tap on Authorize and your TikTok will get linked to your CapCut account. You can also tap right here on Edit to manage access on both accounts. That similarly applies on how you can also link your Facebook, Google, and Apple accounts to your CapCut. That's how easy it is to link your TikTok to CapCut. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.